When a student comes into this class, they can expect to have a good time, learn trades, learn how to do things with their hands. They can learn skills that they can take and with them and work on their own home or make a career of it, make a living, make some money at it. We offer a lot of financial assistance, financial aid, scholarships so students can learn this trades. We offer an associate's program, which is a 2-year degree that counts towards your Michigan builder's license credit. So our students that complete this then can take their builder's license exam. What do I hope they get out of it? I hope that they get what they wanted. I think a lot of students come in not knowing exactly what they want, and then when they come out of it, they realize what they're coming in for is a sense of knowledge and understanding of the industry that they can use for a lifetime and make a living and be satisfied with the work that they do. It's really nice and rewarding to see your work up, and you can look back at the end of a day and see your progress and see the growth that you've made in building.
I want to be the best female carpenter in Michigan. That's what I want to do. When I signed up for construction technology, I had no idea what to expect. I didn't know what I was getting into really. I just wanted to do it. So Bay Mills Community College and construction technology helped me with everything. They helped me find a daycare for my kids. They helped me pay for college. They have this program called TRIO. So if you or your parents didn't go to college, they will help you tremendously. It's made a huge difference.